Have you ever tried to synchronize your local mapped network drive with OneDrive in Windows? And what I mean, I've got my Windows system here, but I also have Microsoft 365 subscription, which gives me 1 terabyte of space in OneDrive. And it's very easy to synchronize local files, because the only thing I have to do is I have to place them in that OneDrive folder, yes? So if I create a new file, let's say marek.txt, I just place it there and it's being synchronized, and we can see status already, it's synchronized with the OneDrive. But what if we want to synchronize something that is outside of that OneDrive folder? For example, I have a Samba shared folder running on my Linux server and I want to synchronize that with my OneDrive. Or maybe you have some network attached storage, a network file system, or maybe yet another solution. Basically anything that you can map as a network drive to your Windows. To be honest, not only network drive, but anything that is outside of that OneDrive folder will work here too. So let's see how this can be resolved. First, let's check if I can map my Samba share, just to make sure, just to test it. And to test it I can go here, right click on my this PC icon, map network drive, and my Linux server has IP of //192.168.1.205, and my Samba share is called YouTube, my shared folder I mean. I just click finish and it's been mapped. It's shown as network drive Z and I can see entire content of this Samba share. And you can do the same with NAS storage or whatever. That lets me browse these files and folders as if they were here locally on the PC. However, I wouldn't be able to synchronize anything to my OneDrive, because its location is outside of this OneDrive folder, yes? The only thing I can do, for example, here, I can click this little cloud here, choose the View Online, and I can click that New and Upload button, and I can choose either files or entire folders. So I could select one from this drive, from this network mapped drive, let's say Automation YouTube, and I can upload it to my OneDrive. But that is just uploading, it's not continuous synchronization. I mean, this is just one-off process. If any of those files change on my network storage, on my Samba share, that change will not be reflected in OneDrive later on, because OneDrive does not monitor the source location if I do it this way. It's just one-off, yes? But I want to continuously synchronize the source in my Samba share, like whatever happens in that remote location, if something changes or if I upload new content to my Samba share or NAS, I want it to be immediately reflected in my OneDrive as well. So I have up-to-date backup. And the solution to that is just one line command that we can run in the command line interface. First, maybe let's unmount this one. I mean, it doesn't matter if it's mounted or not, I just don't want anybody to have a feeling that mounting is some kind of requirement. It's good to test it if you can mount the drive, but that's it, we just did it for testing purposes. So I just disconnect network drive, and I will disconnect that YouTube. So we are back to square one. Because it's good to test, because by the way, Windows 11 can give you sometimes, depending on what network location it is, sometimes it can give you error saying you can't access this shared folder. If you get that error, then please watch the previous video. I believe that comes with the latest Windows update. But never mind, we know it works here. We first have to figure out the location of our OneDrive folder on this PC or laptop. Or in this case, it's a virtual machine running on my mini PC. Doesn't matter. And the location, for example, I can click here, OneDrive, Properties, and most of the time that's where you will find it. C, Users, and then your username, and the folder is OneDrive. But because I have that OneDrive desktop application installed, I can also check it here again. Click that cloud, little cloud, Settings, Settings again, and if I click Choose Folders, it will show me the current folders located in OneDrive folder, but it will also display here below full path to my OneDrive on the disk on this machine. So it's C, Users, Marek, OneDrive in my case. And the second portion of the command we need is the remote location that we previously used to mount that Samba share, which is // IP address of the server and then the name of shared folder. So it was 192.168.1.205 in my case, and the shared folder was YouTube. So we can create our command now. I search for CMD, which is command line interface, but I need to run it as an administrator. So I right-click here, run as admin. And the command we need is mklink. It's make link. It's to create soft link, so-called soft link. We will bind the remote location, the network drive, and the location that will exist within OneDrive folder. But first, we can do --help to see all options, and the option we need is that /d creates a directory symbolic link. That's exactly what we need. And the full command I run is mklink /d. As I said, we need that first option to create a directory symbolic link. Then we need the path here, local path on this machine to OneDrive folder, which is C users Marek, and then it was OneDrive. And now I want to create a new folder where all the remote stuff will be kept here on this OneDrive. And I can call this folder whatever I like, and I will call it YouTube. So I will call it the same what it is on the remote location, but it doesn't matter. You can call it whatever you want, you know. It doesn't matter what you call it here. And this folder, remember, this folder doesn't exist yet. But it doesn't matter. If I go to my OneDrive, there is no folder called YouTube. But we will see it will show up. Maybe let me leave it open. We will see when it is created. What I mean, if the folder exists, you can use it. But if it doesn't exist, it will be created by this command, even if it's not there yet. And now I just add that remote location. I want to soft link, which is //192.168.1.205, and it was called also YouTube, that remote location, the shared folder. Now I just press enter, symbolic link created, and we can see it showed up here, and it's also immediately being synchronized to my OneDrive. Note that we don't have that remote location here. We don't have that network location created here. This is a separate thing. This is a symlink that binds this folder to this remote location. But it's not shown here as it was before, when you map network drive, I mean. And if I go to that YouTube, it will also show me all the folders that are there, and we can see the status they are being synchronized. Because this will take a while, but it's like 300 gig, I believe, or something like that. So that will take hours probably. And this solution, you know, you can reboot that Windows machine, etc. It doesn't matter. It will still work. You can do whatever on your Windows. This symlink will be always there. If I go to that location, if I see to that user's Marek OneDrive, if I do dir, you will see it as symlinked. Symlink directory. Local folder YouTube is symlinked to remote folder, remote location, in this case Samba Share, whatever is in these brackets. And if I want to ever, you know, one day maybe you want to remove that. And to remove it, you simply use rmdir command. Remove directory, and I can just remove that YouTube. I'm already in users Marek OneDrive, so I just, you know, I can call it directly here. If you are in somewhere else, you can put a full path here, yes? Like that. Users Marek OneDrive YouTube. But I don't want to use it. I want it to synchronize fully, so yeah, I hope that helps. That's all about the synchronization to OneDrive. I just wanted to encourage you to visit our learning platform. Please check out Automation Avenue if you want to learn Devops, Cloud, and other IT-related topics. You will find hours of videos, and you will also find quizzes and other materials that will help you to either start or elevate your skills in IT industry. Thank you for watching, Marek.